Hello, little stars. Welcome to Bright Star Education. I am so happy you are here today. Are you ready for a fun adventure? Today, we are going to explore the world of the fantastic letter F. We will find out about magical fairies, green forests, and so many more fun words. So grab your magic hats and let's start our journey with the letter F. Here we go. F is for face. Look in the mirror and see your happy face. You have 2 eyes, a nose and a big smile. Show me your biggest smile. Face. F is for fairy. A fairy is a magical little friend with sparkling wings. She has a magic wand to make wishes come true. Look at the fairy flying in the garden. Fairy. F is for family. Our family is the people who love us very much, like mommy, daddy, brother and sister. We are so happy when we are with our family. Family. F is for fan. When it is very hot, the fan spins round and round. It blows cool air to make us feel good. Feel the cool breeze from the fan. Fan. F is for farmer. A farmer is a friend who grows yummy food for us. They work on a farm and take care of cows, chickens and plants. Thank you, Mr. Farmer. Farmer. F is for feet. Our feet help us to stand, walk and run. Let's stomp our feet on the ground. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Feet. F is for fence. A fence is built around a garden or a house. It keeps us safe and marks our home. Look at the white wooden fence. Fence. F is for feather. Birds have soft feathers on their bodies. Feathers are very light and they help birds fly high in the sky. Feel how soft a feather is. Feather. F is for fig. A fig is a small sweet fruit that is purple or green. It is very healthy and yummy to eat. Have you ever tasted a sweet fig? Fig. F is for fingers. Look at your hands and wiggle your fingers. We use our fingers to touch and hold things. Wave your fingers, hello. Fingers. Fire. F is for fire. Fire is very bright and very hot. It gives us light and keeps us warm at night. But remember, always stay safe and do not touch it. Fire. F is for Firetruck. A fire truck is a big red truck that helps put out fires. It has a loud siren and a long ladder. Here comes the brave fire truck. Firetruck. F is for fish. Fish live in the water. Look at the fish swimming and wagging its tail. Fish are very colourful and they love to splash around. Can you swim like a fish? Fish. F is for 5. Let's count our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 fingers on one hand. Give me a high five. 5. F is for flag. A flag has beautiful colours and patterns. Look at it waving high up in the wind. Every country has its own special flag. Flag. F is for flashlight. A flashlight is a little tool that gives us light in the dark. Just click the button and it shines bright like a star. Now we can see everything in the dark. Flashlight. F is for flamingo. A flamingo is a tall pink bird with long legs. Did you know they like to stand on only one leg? Look at the beautiful pink flamingo. Flamingo. F is for flower. Flour is a soft white powder that we use for baking. We use it to make delicious bread, cakes, and cookies. Let's bake something yummy with flour. Flour. F is for flower. Look at this pretty flower. Flowers grow in the garden and they smell so good. They come in many colours like red, pink and yellow. Flower. F is for flute. A flute is a musical instrument that makes a sweet sound. You blow air into it and move your fingers to play music. Listen to the beautiful flute. Flute. F is for fly. A fly is a tiny insect that buzzes around. It has wings to fly fast from place to place. Buzz, buzz. Can you hear the fly? Fly. F is for fork. A fork is a tool we use to eat our food. It helps us pick up yummy pasta and fruits. We use a fork every day at the dinner table. Fork. F is for four. Let's count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A chair has 4 legs and a car has 4 wheels. Can you show me 4 fingers? 4. F is for fox. A fox is a very smart animal with a beautiful orange coat. It has a big fluffy tail and runs very fast in the forest. Fox. F is for fries. Fries are made from potatoes and they are golden and crunchy. They are a yummy treat that many children love to eat. Smell the hot and tasty fries. Fries. F is for frog. A frog is a green animal that loves to hop and jump. They go ribbit, ribbit, and live near the water. Let's jump high like a little green frog. Frog. F is for fruit. Fruits are very healthy and sweet, like red apples and yellow bananas. Eating fruit makes us strong and happy. Fruit. F is for football. A football is a big ball that we kick with our feet. It's so much fun to run and play football with your friends in the park. Kick the ball. Goal. Football. F is for fountain. A fountain is a beautiful place where water sprays high up into the air. Sometimes people throw a coin and make a wish at the fountain. Look at the dancing water. Fountain. F is for fridge. A fridge is a cold box where we keep our milk, fruits and snacks fresh. It hums quietly in the kitchen to keep everything cool. Is the fridge door closed? Fridge. F is for fiddle. A fiddle is a musical instrument that looks like a small violin. You play it with a bow to make fast and happy music. Let's dance to the sound of the fiddle. Fiddle. F is for friend. A friend is someone very special who plays and laughs with you. Friends like to share their toys and help each other when they are sad. We can have so much fun together with a good friend. Remember to be kind to your friend. F is for fairy. A fairy is a magical little friend with beautiful, sparkling wings. She flies in the garden and uses her magic wand to make wishes come true. Fairies love flowers and they spread joy everywhere they go. Fairy. F is for forest. A forest is a very big place with lots of tall green trees. It is a home for many animals like birds, squirrels and deer. In the forest, the air is fresh and you can hear the birds singing happy songs. Forest. Wow! You did a fantastic job today learning all about the letter F. We saw beautiful fairies, green forests and so many wonderful things. I hope you had a lot of fun. Don't forget to look for the letter F around your house today. If you loved our adventure, please click the subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching Bright Star Education. See you in our next video. Bye-bye, little stars.